Start recording. What is up, guys? This is Future Me and I'm here to take you to the first use case in this video, tracking and framing. Let's dive into the DJI Mimo app. Can connect to the Pocket 3. I think we're connected to the Pocket 3 on the iPad. Yes, we are. Well, that's not bad. Then we have a bigger screen and this is the screen. And we're gonna walk that way and come into the video. So let's do that now. This is us standing in the hall. So let's walk in and talk. I heard a lot about the Pocket 3 on the internet and here is my take on it. What is up, guys? There's been a lot of talk about the Pocket 3 online and I've got 4 use cases which I'm using the Pocket 3, and those are tracking and framing, talking headshots, B-roll, and product reviews. Those 4 use cases, I think they will cover a lot of ground in your YouTube journey or your content creation journey, whether it's on YouTube or any of the other social platforms. So I will take you along with some BTS on this. And yeah, guys, let's dive into this. Okay, so we're all set up over here for this B-roll shot. We've got the Pocket 3 on a slider. It's manual, and as you can see, as we're sliding, you can see we have the Mimo app connected for the framing and of course looking at the shot if it's nice. We have to go to the settings for the Pocket 3, see if everything is fine. Then we have the DJI Mini 3, which is gonna be our subject, and we have the turntable on which the drone is gonna rotate and turn. So let's set everything up nicely. Of course, we have a light shining on the product, and so let's go to the settings of the Pocket 3 first. Manual mode, normal 10-bit. Product showcase is on, and we have breathing compensation also on. We're on 25 frames. We're going to 60, so we can slow it down and go into manual exposure and set your shutter speed matching the 60 frames, 120. Okay, let's go. So we're gonna put the DJI Mini in the right position. We're gonna turn the gimbal setting. This is paused. The gimbal setting is too fast for this. So let's go into the settings again. We need the gimbal settings to be on, and the gimbal speed is on 4 at the moment. We need it on 1 for this shot. So let's prepare it. You can see what I'm doing on the Mimo app. Okay, let's put on the turntable. Okay, here we go. Record. And just slide easy. I think that's it. That's the shot. Let's go ahead and review it on the Mimo app. This is the shot we took. Let's have a look. Slide easy. It looks good. I think we did it in one take. So let's move on to the next one. Okay. The last and the 4th case. Product reviews. That's what we're all about on this channel. So this is the table at the moment. Let me go in and set this up and we'll dive into product reviews after that. Okay guys, so this is a top-down shot of the Pocket 3 in a reviewing setting. So let's have a look what it can do. Here we have the product. The product is the Holy Land Lark M2, and as you can see when I bring it closer, it goes nicely into the details. Let's pull out one of the mics. Smile, guys. So this is what it looks like when we are reviewing our products. And still, this mic is still one of the best mics, especially with its environmental noise cancellation. This is the last use case, so let's finish this review. What is up, guys? Those were the 4 use cases that I use my Pocket 3, but I also think you guys can use the Pocket 3 in your content creation journey. Talking heads, case number 2, where is it? Well, I've been using the Pocket 3 throughout the video. I will let you know on the places where I used it as a talking head, and also where I use the Osmo Action 5 Pro, because on this channel we've dedicated our journey to using the Pocket 3 and Osmo Action 5 Pro, and I think they're perfect for it. As you can see, this is the proof. You can decide for yourself if you would like to buy one or the other and use it in your content creation. I would like to know if you're doing it and if my video helped you out on making your decision. Well, guys, this is it. I'm trying to get to 120 subscribers by June 13. If you have any value on this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace!